detailing and lowriders, or auto detailing and old schools. Do they mix together? What's up, everyone? It's your boy OSITO and his adventures, and today we're back with another banger. If it's your first time here, I want to introduce myself. My name is Isaac, better known as OSITO and adventures, and on this channel we talk auto detailing, we do product reviews, I show you the in and outs about how I run my business, and we talk about life. So if you like content like that, make sure you hit the bell notification, but first you gotta subscribe so you don't miss another video like this. Now that we got that out the way, let's get straight into the video, guys. What I want to talk to you guys today about is auto detailing and lowriders, or auto detailing and old schools. Do they mix together? And of course they do, guys. So with that being said, lowriders is one of my big passions, so I kind of wrote a script. You guys know I typically don't do that, but I just wanted to stay on track. So real quick, let's get straight into the video. Like I said, when it comes to horchata, tacos de asada, lowriders, and Mexican culture, I'm all in. I have never owned a lowrider car, but I did have a 1998 Lincoln Town car back when I was 18. Man, that car had me feeling like the man. I also once owned a Schwinn beach cruiser that I made into a lowrider. I remember like it was yesterday. You know, we used to go back to the local flea market out in San Jose. I used to bug and beg my mom to buy me some parts. I still remember bugging her to buy me some twisted pedals later on to build my bike, just to later on sell it to my deal for some beer money. Damn, shaking my head, right? But I said all of that to say that deep down inside, guys, I have a passion for lowrider cars. Every time I see one, the paint is just looking so glossy and shiny. Whether the wheels are gold or chrome, you can just see the reflection off the concrete a whole mile away. Sometimes they have some crazy undercarriages, whether it's all chrome or some crazy color schemes to match the rest of the vehicle. It makes you wonder, how do they keep that clean, right? You guessed it, an auto detailer keeps that car clean. So yes, guys, auto detailing and lowriders mix very well. Very well. In fact, detailers are essential in keeping the appearance of these lowriders looking in top-notch shape. So I say it again, guys, auto detailers are essential in the lowrider community, as lowriders require special care and attention to keep them looking the best. Detailers can also help preserve the look and design of the vehicle by also providing regular cleaning, polishing, chrome polishing, and etc. And a lot of lowrider owners like to maintain their own vehicle, right? They like to detail their own vehicle to keep them looking as best. But a lot of them also don't want to spend their Sunday detailing the vehicle when they can actually spend their Sunday at the car meet, right? Or they don't want to just deal with that. Some of them don't like to detail their own vehicle. So that's where like people like me and you come in. We could come and detail their vehicle, get it nice and ready for Sunday car meet. So when they're out cruising later on that evening or whatever, you know, if somebody says, hey man, your car looks clean, when did you get the chance to do it? They'll be like, no, I didn't do it. Such and such did it. They're mobile based. They own this shop over here. And then your name starts spreading in the lowrider community. And trust me, guys, the lowrider community is a beautiful, beautiful thing. So whenever you're out in your local taco shop or whatever, you see a Chicano looking guy with the lowrider, don't be afraid to give him your flyer. Don't be afraid to tell him, hey, I could possibly help you out with that chrome. We could do some, you know, chrome polishing, or we could preserve that, you know, that paint's looking immaculate. I can make it better for you. Do you have it ceramic coated? Step into the lowrider community and offer what you gotta offer. And it doesn't have to be exactly for lowriders. I just wanted to say lowriders because I love lowriders and old schools, but it also involves all types of old schools, muscle cars, any type of, you know, old school market, lowrider market. Don't be afraid to step into it, guys. So with that being said, I know it was kind of long, kind of short. We're gonna see how long it comes out to, but if you like videos like this, remember to help me out by sharing this video, spreading the word, liking, commenting. If you like and comment, it helps even push this video even further. So with that being said, guys, remember, every day is a blessing and every struggle is a lesson, so don't be stressing. Yeah.